Before we start, here is the good news. 1. India's retail inflation, the Consumer Price Index, CPI, cooled towards 3.61% in the month of February as compared to 5.09% reported in the year-ago period. Well, the data shall encourage the RBI's MPC to slash 25 BPS repo rate cut in the April review meeting to boost GDP growth. 2. Industrial production rose to 8-month high of 5% in January. 3. Meanwhile, the inflation rate in the US also eased to 2.8% in February, below the market expectations of 2.9%. 4. Aluminum futures rose to $2,720 per ton on Wednesday, flirting with its 9-month highs amid lower supply from major producers. Now, to the headlines for the day. AMFI, Association of Mutual Funds in India, data showed that net equity inflow fell by 26% to Rs 29,303 crore in February amid market sell-off. Long story short, as long as FIIs return to their buying desk, Nifty is likely to trade choppy with negative bias. Please note, this financial year 2025, FIIs have already net sold to the tune of Rs 4,18,844 crores. And this March 2025, FII selling has already crossed 20,000 crores. Market trends. Global cues are neutral. In yesterday's session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 1628 crores, while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 1510 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bearish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals are suggesting weakening momentum on the daily charts. FNO March month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 21,400 to 23,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index have slipped near 13.69 levels. At last check, USD INR was trading firm at 87.32. Nifty PCR, 27th March expiry, is at 0.99 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 27th March expiry, is at 0.98. Nifty outlook, any excessive optimism is likely to be fragile. Sell on any intraday strength. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 2471. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 22,227 mark. Immediate intraday resistance is placed only at 22,689 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 2350 and 2600. Bias for the day is negative. Bank Nifty, CMP 48057. Bank Nifty's downside risk now seen at 46,100 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 48,900 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 47,600 and 48600. Bias for the day is negative. Stock market news. Our call of the day suggests Trump tariff threat shall drive another up and down day at Dalal Street. Any intraday optimism on Nifty is likely to be overshadowed by President Donald Trump's tariffs, which is likely to result in a major economic setback, probably a recession in the US. Meanwhile, amongst stock-specific action in yesterday's trade. 1. IndusInd Bank, plus 4.38%, Tata Motors, plus 3.12%. Kotak Bank, to 45%, were the biggest gainers amongst Nifty stocks. 2. Life Insurance Corporation of India, LIC, shares fell 1.29% after the company reported a 22% drop in new business premiums, NBP, and as reports suggest that the government is planning to offload to 3% stake in the company. 3. Bharat Electronics, BIL, traded firm on bagging a Rs 2,463 crore order from the Ministry of Defence for the delivery of Ashwini radars.